Hi guys, Shelly here. Jumping right into the video, I got a new subscription service. It's not new to everybody else. It's new to me. I've never signed up for Ipsy before. I signed up for the regular Ipsy bag and the Ipsy Glam bag, but not the Ipsy Ultimate. I kind of wanted to see how I liked it first before I committed to the bigger one. There is an Ipsy app, which I think makes it a little bit easier, and my first ever Glam Bag Plus. Now, this one is $25 and it's 5 full-size products. And I think you get to choose 2 or 3 of them. Okay, you guys, I was confused because I'm new to this as a subscription service. The regular Ipsy is like $12 a month. I think you get 5 products and you might be able to pick one of them, but I think the day for choice move. So anyway, I didn't get to pick anything. I'm still waiting for my base bag. I haven't seen it yet. The August theme is The Future Is Yours. These cards don't actually have information about the products that are in the bag. It does talk about the program, and it says 3 next level ingredients to try, get to know your Glam Bag Plus picks by going online and looking. And then it has a save the date, September 1st and September 3rd, or September 1st through the 3rd. Ipsy picks 2 personalized items that are based on your beauty profile, your beauty quiz. And then you get to pick 3 from the list that are there. I was actually pretty impressed with the selection of things. I did get some add-ons too. I haven't seen those yet. So we're going to take a look at what is in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then we can ask ourselves, is it worth $25? I'm not sure how long I'll stay on it. They're going to have to impress me. They're going to have to be better than Boxy. And Boxy's kind of hit and miss for me too. I love the fact that you can choose 3 different things, plus you've got the add-on. So I'm gonna go over what I got with you guys here. Okay, so the first thing on here is the Murad Hydration Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Now, I like the Murad products. I've tried a number of their products. I don't mind the quality of this at all. I'm trying to see if I can figure out how much it is. Okay, so MSRP on this is $58. $25 bag, and I already have the first item that they chose for me was $58. It wasn't like I chose all the high-end stuff and then they give me the inexpensive stuff. I feel like Murad has good skincare. Okay, it doesn't really have any like strong fragrance one or the other. It just seems like good skincare. The next item they chose for me is Beauty for Real Shadow Sticks 24/7 eyeshadow duo, which I didn't get. I guess I'm gonna have to reach out to them. It says Beauty for Real Shadow Sticks. I didn't get that. I picked this item. This is Calicy Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Scrub. I like skincare. I don't know, you know, I have like my go-to, and then I'm always disappointed with all the other face scrubs that I ever try, but I still try other ones just to see. Maybe there's be a sleeper. Grain isn't very gritty, like it doesn't feel like sandpaper or anything crazy like that. It's actually pretty smooth. Has a slight coffee scent, which will be good in the shower in the morning if I use this. So yeah, I mean, it feels creamy. It's not super grainy and gritty. The grit that is in there are pretty large particles, but there's not a lot of it. So, okay. MSRP on this is $21.95. The next item I picked, this is Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara in Bryn Rich Black. I got the same, it's like a backup. I got a backup of the same mascara that I really like, and packaging looks identical. MSRP on it's $24. It says I picked this. This is the Laura Geller Kajal Longwear Eyeliner in Gilded Bronze. It's a thicker pencil, which for me, I like to smudge in a pencil as opposed to having something super, super fine and then leaving a line. MSRP on the Laura Geller eyeliner in Gilded Bronze, $22. One of the things that I picked as an add-on actually just showed up with this. This is the 111 Skin, which seems to be pretty high-end stuff. I mean, I've liked their stuff in the past. Again, more skincare. This is a Cryo Anti-Sports Booster. I don't know what that means, but it's pretty packaging. I have a little tray in my bathroom with all of these kind of like dropper top bottles on. It's like an apothecary in there. Okay, so maybe this isn't the same, or maybe it is. So the picture actually shows 2 different bottles, and I only got one of them. Here, it says the MSRP on it is $29. I'm so confused by this. So it looks like it's supposed to be a 2-pack, but I only got one of them. So I guess I need to call them. So there's a vitamin C brightening booster, which I did not get. And then there's ATP cryo booster, which I did get. It looks like the pair is $29. So I don't know. You know what? Here's the thing. If the subscription service isn't easy, regardless of how good the products are, is it more frustrating? And then when I look at the app, it says that we're packing, labeling, and handing over your Glam Bag Plus to our carrier. COVID-19 may impact the timing of your delivery. It says the delivery is supposed to be 8/4 to 8/10, but it's showing that it's in assembly right now. But yet I received it, or at least received part of it. I don't know, you guys. So none of the add-ons came on, or at least they did. They didn't get all of them. I didn't get one of the things they said they put in here, the Beauty for Real eyeshadow duo. I did not get. I still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I still got 5 full-size items. I don't know how I feel about this. You guys, you're gonna have to tell me. Do you guys get Ipsy? Do you get 1, 2, or 3 of their bags? Do I need the bag? I guess they all come every month in a little reusable sort of cosmetic bag. Do I need this? No. It's a good size. I mean, it's not too small. I can actually use it. And I actually might, I don't know what I would pack in here. It'd be good for packing, but it's not big enough to put shoes in. Probably too big to put jewelry in. Underwear maybe? Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm confused. This video is gonna suck because I'm confused. But if I can get a hold of them before I edit this, I'll update you guys with what I talked to them about and what I find out. The other day, I started off by filming my Ipsy subscription for the month of August. I got my Glam Bag Plus. I'd ordered a bunch of add-ons, and then I also was expecting my Glam bag, my normal regular Glam bag. And this is an update to the first part of the video. I've already done my unboxing. I did reach out to customer service. I basically said, hey, I'm a little confused. It looks like I got part of one of my add-ons, but I missed something. I'm missing something that I thought was gonna be in the box. Because I'm new to Ipsy, I'm confused. So I got a response back. The response says, thanks for writing, and I'm sorry to hear about this. We employ rigorous checks to ensure all products and packing materials pass our quality control standards, and only rarely do mistakes occur in our packing process. We've addressed this issue with our warehouse and hope to avoid future issues with your shipments. I've issued a replacement order for your missing add-ons, including the Beauty for Real Shadow Sticks, STX 24/7 Eyeshadow Duo to your current address. You'll get a tracking number via email once your package leaves our warehouse within 10 to 15 business days. Since we're out of stock on the Pure Heals Ginseng Berry 80 Overnight Mask, Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum, and 111 Skin Serum Duo, I've gone ahead and issued a $49.92 refund to your order. You should see your funds return to your account in 5 to 7 business days. Thank you for understanding. Please let me know if there's anything else I can do. I had ordered 7 add-ons, and by this they're saying that 3 of those are already out of stock and the other 4. Now, when I go and look at my Ipsy account, it shows all the add-ons, but it doesn't give any kind of tracking information. And Ipsy doesn't seem to have a Droid or a Google app. It has an Apple app, but not one. So I can't get the app. I have to go to actually the website. So today, my Ipsy Glam bag showed up, and I'll show you what I got. Now, I didn't know if I was going to be getting this next or my add-ons. I haven't gotten my add-ons. The date on this was, so this has been a week since I got this email, and I have not seen any kind of tracking number, no further information at all. When I go onto my account on Ipsy, I don't see anything on there indicating that I've got anything else coming. But I did get my Glam bag, so I'm gonna show you what I got in my Glam bag. So it comes in a bag, right? You get like a little cosmetic bag. This is almost too small for me to do anything with. I don't know what I would put in here, but this is a very small, I mean, it's 6 inches by like 4 inches maybe. The actual card itself, it says glow your own way. This is exactly the same thing that was in my Glam Bag Plus. It talks about some products, Cryo Effect, CBD, hyaluronic acid, but it doesn't say anything about what's in my bag. You actually have to go to the app to see. The Ipsy Glam, let's see, yeah, the Ipsy Glam bag is $12 a month, and I think you get to select one of your items. But I'm gonna be honest, I misread. These are not full-size items, they're deluxe samples. Or maybe you get one, no, these are all deluxe samples. So I got a Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. I like the Murad products, but I don't get a lot of acne. Rarely do I have any kind of breakout. Okay, and then it has a Ultra, this is a hair mask. So this is, and again, I thought I was getting bigger products. So with my quantity of hair, and I think this might be like a CBD type thing, I gotta be honest, I'm old school. I don't do any CBD products. This looks like it might cover half of my hair. I don't know anything about it, so. It smells nice. It has like a a light citrus scent to it. It smells fresh and tropical, and that smells great, but I don't think there's enough in this little sample for me to even get one. Or if I do, it's gonna be just maybe the ends of my hair. So that's not gonna even give me a chance to really try it. Okay, the next sample in here is some moisture boost. It says a cooling algae eye serum. We're gonna try some of this right now. Not that I need necessarily cooling, but I do have a little bit of creping from my last video. So it's a gel. And I'm putting it on over the top of my makeup. It's very thin. Even though it's a gel, it's a very, very lightweight gel. Because I'm an eye product junkie anyway, I'm gonna keep this, just kind of try it on occasion and see how it performs. The next thing on here is this little itty bitty tiny eyeshadow. And at first when I saw this package, like an eyeliner sharpener, and it's not, it's an actual shadow. I can't even tell what brand it is. It has a little tiny logo, but it's not one I recognize. And it says, I think it says something like PFG, but I don't know what that is. There is an itty bitty, like the tiniest eyeshadow that I've ever seen. I mean, I've got another eyeshadow palette right here just for fun that has like little individual squares, and this is slightly smaller than the pans on just a regular eyeshadow palette. It's very small. My finger pad covers the whole thing, and it's absolutely just a shimmer silver metallic-y shade. Maybe it would make a good topper on something. They did send me an eyeshadow brush. I think this is the only full-size product that actually came in my Glam bag. And this is a plastic matte kind of handle. It's not a horribly uncomfortable handle. This is a Moda Beauty eyeshadow brush, and I've got a few other ones before. I don't have one specifically like this. I almost feel like this brush might be too big for the pan. It's so small, I can't keep it in my hands. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I can get the brush in here, but as soon as I do, it gets it all the way around here. So we're just gonna try this shadow with this brush. I mean, it's a subtle dusting of color. If you had a palette that was all mattes and you wanted to throw in one neutral shimmer, this would give you a little dusting of color, I guess. Cleanser, the hair mask. I'm gonna give this to my daughter. I'll even put it back in the little baggie. She can decide what to do with it. This eyeshadow, I don't know what to do with that. So this Moisture Burst Cooling Algae Eye Serum. It's Tony Moly, and I don't mind their face masks. I don't feel like it gave me any kind of like extra moisture under there. I'll keep it just for something to play with. If I'm comparing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to BoxyCharm, I would say BoxyCharm has it hands down. Now, Glam Bag Plus, you get to choose 3 of your items. If they show up, I don't know what's gonna happen with that. But as far as a first impression goes, after getting this and realizing that these were samples, and realizing I don't need samples, and a one-use sample is not gonna give me an indication of whether or not I'm gonna purchase something, I immediately canceled my Glam Bag. Glam Bag Plus, because I get to choose 3 of the 5 items, I'm gonna keep it another month and we'll see. I think that one was $25. We'll keep that one and we'll just see if my missing add-ons and my other products, if any of them show up. We'll see if next month they do a little bit better. But as far as first impressions go, I'm not super impressed. I don't know. You guys are gonna have to tell me, do you guys get Ipsy? Can you compare the two? I would say that value for the products, BoxyCharm has my business again. Sorry, Ipsy. All right, you guys, I hope you guys are doing really well, and until my next video, bye for now.